Did a software update break the nss3.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get Mozilla Firefox running again. Avoid long manual edits for NSS3 by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the NSS3, the Mozilla Network Security Services library. It manages unmanaged routines for SSL and TLS and crypto functions, acting as the foundational security data link for Firefox and Thunderbird manifests. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. This error indicates a missing or corrupted file specifically within the Mozilla Firefox environment. I suggest you reinstall the latest version of Mozilla Firefox to allow the installer to restore NSS3.dll automatically. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including NSS3, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of NSS3.dll unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. For users who prefer structured maintenance, the link below references a tool related to managing NSS3 dependencies. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and NSS3 error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.